जी व्यूवर्स, एक बार फिर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं और जैसा कि हमने बता दिया था कि हैशटैग डिस्कवर गज़र के नाम से हमने प्रोग्राम किया हुआ था और इस प्रोग्राम में बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट हमने आपको मिलाया और इस वक्त हमें ज्वाइन किया हुआ है फ्रांस और पॉलिश हमारे साथ यहाँ पे गेस्ट हैं और उनसे हम पूछेंगे कि वो कहाँ से आए हुए हैं और कितने जगह उन्होंने देखे जो खूबसूरती के लिहाज से अपनी मिसाल आप हैं और यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे हैं और कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। Sir, thank you for coming to our country, and please, can you tell me your name?
You're very welcome. My name is Matthias.
Which country you belong to?
I am French, so I come from France.
And your good name, please?
My name is Małgorzata.
Right, and which country you belong to?
I was born in Poland. I'm
Right.
Polish.
Right. So, how many days did you spend in Pakistan?
A bit more than 1 week.
1 week. And how did you find Pakistan to stay and to sit? An international motto of Pakistan. Normally, we understand that Pakistan is considered to be not a safe country for tourists, but you are here. It's amazing. But how did you define this country for tourists?
Well, if we were following the guidelines of our governments, we would stay at home and never leave the country. How did we find Pakistan so far? Pakistan's been very interesting so far, very different from other places where we've been before, but we studied it a bit, so far we're not that surprised about what we found in here.
Well, how did you find country Pakistan to live?
To live.
Right.
Well, we are not living here, so it's very difficult to answer this question. We are only tourists, so we see what we can see on the way.
You have almost spent almost a week. Am I right?
A bit more than 1 week.
Yeah, and 1 week. You have spent 1 week. So, how did you find the climate of this country, especially?
Well, it's very diverse, and actually we did not expect it to be that hot. At the beginning, we landed in Lahore, and then in Islamabad, so it was very humid and very hot.
Yeah.
And actually, we expected to be a bit colder in the mountains, like even here we are at almost 4,000 meters above sea level, right?
Yeah, of course.
So we thought it would be colder, but it's very nice weather today, and it's very.
Yeah, you have been there at Lahore, then you went to Islamabad, then you came over here. Though I used to sit at Lahore as well. There is humid because that area is quite down as compared to this. This is on height, though we do have, a suitable temperature of 24 degrees centigrade. Almost it's 30. It's 30 maximum over here, and you find this climate as a very suitable place to live.
It's the climate that we have right now. It's perfect. This is perfect. But we had to come all the way up here to feel it, because Lahore, both of us are actually living in Dubai. So we thought Lahore would be a bit colder. No, it was actually a lot hotter than we felt hotter than in Dubai.
Yeah, of course, Dubai is more hotter than Lahore.
That's the opposite actually. We felt like Dubai was colder than Lahore when we landed there.
Well, yeah, of course, because that's the beauty of Pakistan, where different cities, different temperatures, different climate, and different weathers you enjoy. So normally you have been at summer places, at colder places, and you are here right now. So how was your journey from Islamabad to Gilgit, and especially Gilgit to here?
It was very good. We have at this trip this time we have our driver and a car, so we cannot complain. It was good.
That's great. And how are you enjoying your journey?
Very nice, very nice. As we said a bit earlier, we landed in Lahore. We went to Islamabad. After that, we spent 3 days in Fairy Meadows. Went to Nanga Parbat.
That's great.
Then we came all the way through Gilgit to Fandar yesterday. And today we've spent our time between the Fanda Valley, the Yassin Valley. The Fanda Valley is a fantastic place.
Thank you. It's been fantastic for everyone, though we are here in Pakistan and we see this area is fantastic one, and you also praising this area for being here and very awesome weather we do have.